I apologize, my friends. I forgot to film this. I've had this tractor for 8 or 9 years. And this is the first time I've pulled this little walkway out so I can till my garden. And I just used the blade of the tractor and yanked it back. Duh! Like, what's wrong with the other 8 years? I did it with my back, not my brain. Okay, here's the old stalwart tiller. I ran it out of gas last fall. 3, 4, 4. Only had 4 plurps in there, which is about right. Just make sure if it has some lubrication. Oh yeah, right up. Or is it? Yeah, that's good. Now it's going to take a few pulls because it's been sitting, right? So, fast. It's got an auto choke on it. These old auto chokes always scared me. And you guys are watching, little red letters, everything looks good. Let's see if she barks. Arr, arr. 2. 3 pulls, and it's been sitting for 7 months. It's craziness. So don't always judge a book by its cover, right? Okay, we're going to go rototill that over here. We'll let that warm up a minute. This is all the compost I had. Came out of the big bin there. But we go through a lot more compost in the summer than we do in the winter. There, I hit a root back there. Talk to you later. I ran out of gas. I'm just going to go over it real quick to smoothen things up a little bit. This might be fun and fast forward. Oh. And there again, I missed it. So I'm just pushing this back in now. Got about a foot to go. Sorry about that. It was really easy, actually. And there we have the next day.